In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a permanently deleted Gmail account in 2026, step by step. If you accidentally removed your Gmail account or you're trying to get back into an account you thought was gone forever, this guide will walk you through the official Google recovery process as clearly as possible. Make sure you follow each step carefully because the exact recovery options you see will depend on your account and what Google can verify. And before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin the process. Once the page loads, you'll see a field where you can enter the deleted Gmail address you want to recover. Type in the email address exactly as you remember it, then click Next. After that, Google will begin showing you the account recovery steps. These steps can change depending on how much information Google can confirm, so just follow the prompts on the screen one by one. In some cases, Google may ask you to enter the last password you remember using on the account. If you know it, type it in. If you don't remember it exactly, enter your best guess and continue. Next, Google may ask you to verify your identity using one of several recovery methods. This could include a recovery phone number, a recovery email address, or a Google prompt on another device where you're already signed in. If you see the phone number option, make sure you have access to that number so you can receive a verification code. If you see the recovery email option, check that inbox for the code or link Google sends you. And if Google prompts you on another signed-in device, simply open the notification and confirm that it's really you. As you go through the recovery process, answer every question as accurately as possible. Even if you're not completely sure, use the information you remember from when the account was active. Google uses these details to confirm that you're the rightful owner, so it's important to be as consistent as possible with your answers. If Google successfully verifies your identity, you'll be allowed to reset the account password. This is the point where you should create a strong new password that you haven't used before. Make sure it's secure, memorable, and not something easy to guess. Once you enter the new password, click Save to confirm the change. After that, go back and sign into the recovered Gmail account again using your new password. If everything worked correctly, you should now have access to the account and be able to use Gmail normally again. One important note, if Google says the account can't be recovered, it usually means there isn't enough information to verify ownership, or too much time has passed since deletion. In that case, the best thing you can do is try again from a device, browser, or location you've used before, because that can sometimes improve your chances. But if recovery is available, this official process is the correct way to try it. That's how you recover a permanently deleted Gmail account in 2026 using Google's recovery page. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.